Hi everyone, so I will be the one who will discuss to you about the copper deposits in the Philippines. According to the history, Philippines is the fourth largest country in the world in terms of copper reserves, estimated to be 4 billion MT. So the Tampakan deposit is a large copper and gold ore body with an estimated resource of 2 billion tons of ore grading 0.6% copper, located in the south of the Philippines in Tampakan, South Cotabato. Classification of Philippine copper deposits. So the most important copper deposits in the Philippines are of the porphyry type. They range in age from Cretaceous to Pleistocene, although most are within the Middle Miocene-Pliocene age range. Other deposits are classified as volcanogenic massive sulfide or VMS, epithermal vein type, and less importantly, skarn type. So there are four classification of copper deposits in the Philippines. The first one is porphyry copper, in which these deposits are hypogeum sulfide deposits, in which the ore minerals are decimated in the form of grain impregnations and or network of vinelets within acid to intermediate bodies and the rocks they intrude. In the Philippines, this type of deposit is of utmost importance. So this type of copper deposits is one of the reasons why the Philippines becomes the fourth largest country that produces copper reserves. The second type of VMS is Cyprus type, which refers to the massive sulfide base metal sulfide ores associated with rocks of mafic ultramafic association of aphyolitic affinity. The ore bodies are lens-shaped pyrite chalcopyrite ores contains in spilitized basaltic pillow lavas, which are apparently the product of relatively deep water, quiescent, fissure eruptions in the seafloor. In the Philippines, this type of deposit is exemplified by the Barlo, Bongbongan, Malabog, and the Port Bicobian mines. These copper deposits are found at the top of aphyolitic sequences, the host rocks consisting mainly of Cretaceous Paleogene sphalectic basalt flows and the Pilolabas, tufaceous interveds and cherty sediments. The Coroco type copper deposits in the Philippines are associated with andesitic to rhyodacite flows and pyroclastics and intercalated normal sediments. In general, these rock associations are imposed over Cretaceous Paleogene basement complex coincident with the distribution of the apoleutic terrains. Most of the deposits occur in Neogene volcanic sedimentary sequences, such as those of Bagakay and Sulat in Samar Island. However, some are in association with older formations, such as the deposits in Dopax, Nueva Vizcaya, and in San Mariano, Isabela. The third type is the Bessie type, which is the last one. So the description for the Bessie or Kislager type copper deposits is that of stratabon massive coperiferous iron sulfide deposits, bed-like or lenticular in form, that lie conformably in crystalline cyst. It is now recognized, however, that this type of deposits are simply metamorphosed VMS deposits of either the Coroco or Cyprus types. Of several occurrences of this deposit type have been identified in the Philippines, but only the Hexbar mine most developed in the production. The deposits occur mostly in pre-Cretaceous basic and peletic crystalline quartzose schist.